On today's menu, a delicious and easy way to get your greens in. An incredible Palak Tofu. Lei Ho Ma, I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This recipe is so easy to make and incredibly delicious, you'll have no problem with eating your greens. Three pieces of garlic, roughly chopped. One onion, diced. Medium piece of ginger, diced. One tomato, diced. Pat dry 1 pound of firm tofu and chop into bite-sized cubes. Of course, this is a really popular dish, so this is not the only way or the best way of making it. This is simply just one way. Sauté pan. Medium heat. 2 tablespoons grapeseed or veggie oil. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon coriander seeds. Cook for about 45 seconds. Onions, garlic, and ginger. 1 teaspoon salt. Sauté for 5 to 7 minutes. Tomatoes. 1 long green chili finely chopped. Sauté for 4 to 5 minutes. 1 cup coconut cream. Stir the mixture for about a minute to incorporate the coconut cream. One teaspoon turmeric. 2 teaspoons garam masala. Stir. $200 grams spinach. When the spinach cooks down, we can add in the remaining 100 grams. Add and cook down the remaining 100 grams of spinach. blender. Carefully transfer the mixture to the blender. Blend on medium to medium-high for 10 to 15 seconds. Pour the mixture back into the sauté pan. Medium heat. Tofu. Gently stir to coat the tofu for about a minute or two. Plate. You can now make this delicious recipe with absolute confidence. This to me is one of my absolute favorites. It just looks incredibly packed with flavor. Man, that is just so flavor dense. It looks so beautiful and just looks incredibly rustic. Serve this with some amazing freshly steamed basmati rice, and man, this is an incredible meal. The texture is just really silky, velvety, smooth, but that is so incredibly packed with flavor. You have the garlic, the onions that make that kind of the base of that incredible flavor. Of course, the cumin seeds and the coriander seeds just adds into that really delicious aromatic kind of spice flavor, and the garam masala, as well as the turmeric and the delicious kind of meaty tofu, like they're just little pillows of deliciousness. I mean, that is just so good. And that spinach just gives it that really delicious, deep, dark flavor. And when you think about, it's just crazy how this was 300 grams of spinach. It looks like a lot, but that's why this is so flavor packed and flavor dense. And lastly, that delicious coconut cream just brings everything together and just adds this delicious creaminess, this glossiness, and of course it helps make everything really just velvety, smooth, absolutely beautiful. This is definitely a good reason to eat your greens. Absolutely amazing. By the way, if you're new to the channel, welcome, I'm glad you're here. Be sure to check out or pick up your free ebook that I put together just for you that has 5 super easy, unintimidating plant-based recipes to help you get started with cooking today. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check that out. Plus, you can also check out in that same link the first entire class of the new plant-based sushi masterclass. And that is a 5-class series designed and curated to help you make delicious and stunning sushi right at home. That is the masterclass you'll really eat up. Of course, as always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.